can actually be sterilized. You have to tip them. Okay, so this would be way too much for my little tiny tattoo sterilizer. I'm just kind of showing you. You kind of can layer them. Like I probably wouldn't put more than 2 in here. You kind of go like that. Now I want to teach you about indicators. Process indicators are dyes. See this little right here? When it is exposed to heat, it is going to change color. Let's see. When chemical, vapor, or steam sterilizer, which I don't have a steam, it will change color. This is tape. This tape will change color when it is exposed to heat. It does not prove that it is sterile. It only proves that it was exposed to heat and we tried. So you can overload this. If you overload it, it won't be sterile. Even if you got all the debris off, even if you had the right time and the right temperature, it can still be, we can think it's sterile, but it's not. The only way to prove that it's sterile is to do a spore check. And I want one, but I do not have it. You have to do a spore check every week. It is regulated. They will shut your office down if you don't do a spore check. And I don't have a little incubator. The bottom line, you're going to take these, put them in a little incubator, and then run it through a sterilizer, and it's going to change color or not. There's different types of spore checks, so it's on my wish list. The only way to prove sterilization is called biological monitoring. We call it spore check. You have to do it once a week. But this is another indicator. This is called ProCheck ID. Turns black when exposed to steam. Turns dark brown when exposed to a chemical. Notice I don't have steam and I don't have a chemical. I have a dry heat. I can't find any indicators, process indicators for dry heat. So we'll have to go over there and we'll have to kind of show you that. I'm just trying to show you what they look like. Usually this goes in every load. Okay, here's another little bag. Right here, steam. Changes from pink to cocoa in steam. Okay? This is changes from green to golden brown when it's exposed to ethylene oxide. You can tell that these have not been exposed to either one because they're still pink and green. So what are these called? Process indicators. Your book talks about dose, kind of, and it was confusing to me, and I've actually never seen that used before, so we're going to ignore it. Okay? Any questions? Okay, we are not sterilizing anything.